Hey everyone, it's Belle. Welcome to my plan with me. It's officially Virgo season and my birth month, so I'm celebrating the earthy, feminine, and orderly energy that my sign brings in through this super cute, minimalist kind of like earthy goddess line art. And I'm going in with a Faber Castell brush pen in the color May Green as an accent color. And I made my monthly log a lot more minimalist and way less cluttered because last month's log was just way too decorated, and I've just got so many events this month, so I need this to just be as functional as possible and also color coordinated. Now onto my favorite part, my mood board. I'm using this sticky leaf note from AliExpress, and it just interacts so well with the soft skin tones. I'm going in with a set of very natural, flowy, leafy images as a reminder to just be like authentic, to take care of myself, to listen to nature. Mood boards, I find, really help you ground your goals, intentions, and attitudes for the month. By the way, these scrap papers are like literally from bookstore bags, and I'm just using them to balance out the page. I'm also using my favorite Renaissance painting of all time, which is The Birth of Venus by Sandro Botticelli. She just reinforces that kind of self-love, feminine vibe I just want for the month. And she's the basis for my line art on the September cover page, actually. And over here, I'm just going in with a quote by Albert Camus, and it says, "In order to be, never try to seem," which is my challenge in self-authenticity. Now, last month, I tried out individual habit trackers instead of a vertical layout, and honestly, this is just so time-consuming to do, but I kid you not, it helped me get a better hold on the habits that I wanted to keep, because I found that I filled out the boxes more visually too. You can isolate which habits like you have trouble dealing with. And as usual, I've got a mood tracker, and it's so important because it helps me take a bigger picture of my mental health for the month. And I added neutral as a new mood for when I can't figure out what I'm feeling for the day. I really recommend these for people with like anxiety disorders, mood disorders, depression. Therapists have actually been giving out mood trackers to people with like bipolar disorder, so this actually helps so much. These stickers here are by Fraffy. She runs the World of Fraffy, and she did these for one of my past journaling workshops, and I love that there's this like DIY hanging lantern thing going on. So I'm putting it over here in my gratitude log. And speaking of workshops, I mentioned that I did have like loads of events, so I will be having actually like 3 journaling workshops centered around mental wellness, and I'll be teaching you guys like how to turn a journal into your safe space for like creativity and self-care. And I was just so excited that I made an entire spread just for it. So yeah, now that I finally have a job, yay! I don't think I'll be able to do those like decorative, flamboyant weekly spreads anymore. So I'll be testing out this triple column weekly spread. I've got an event overview for the week on the left, and a column for my notes and work tasks on the right, and a free space in the middle for my daily logs. And I know I still want a little bit of decoration, so I put a painting of Monet's bridge and a little 4-leaf clover just for luck. And then to just wrap it all up, I'm adding a little bit of this matcha green washi tape for a bit of color, and I'm going to go ahead and add it to my mood board just to balance everything out. And honestly, I'm just like so happy with how this month turned out, and I'm just so excited for my workshops. Let me know if you guys want to join. I'll be posting the sign up links down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please, because I'll be posting a lot of updates too. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!